Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm just going to do a quick video on how to create glass in Blender. To start, let's hide the camera and hide the light. And we're going to delete the cube and Shift A to add a new mesh. And we're just going to replace it with a UV sphere. And we'll right click it and go Shade Smooth just so that we have a nice smooth surface to work with. At the top, click on the Shading tab. And we'll zoom in so we can see. Hold down Shift and use the mouse wheel to scroll that up. Down here, we're going to create a new material. And by default, you're going to see the Principled BSDF and the output. You can delete the Principled BSDF. We don't need that one. Press Shift A to add a new node. And in Shader, go up to Glass and drop that in. Connect that to the surface output and you'll get glass. Color is just going to change the color of the glass. Roughness is going to give it kind of a fogged glass kind of look. We'll leave ours clear. IOR, that stands for Index of Refraction, which basically just tells how light to react once it enters the glass object. Normally default is going to be fine, but you can play around with it until you find the settings that you like. One thing you will notice is that if there's another object in the scene, so let's create a new UV sphere. We'll just move that over. And just so we can see it better, we're just going to make it red. One of the things you'll notice is that you can't actually see through the glass. It's only refracting, or it's only showing the background image, not other objects. To fix this, under Render Properties, you want to turn on, just slide that out, Screen Space Reflections, and in the drop down you also want to turn on Refraction. Now click on your glass object and in your material properties scroll down, and under settings you'll also see Screen Space Refraction. Turn that on and now you'll see that we can see the red through our glass object. It's just acting really weird. To fix this, you can change the refraction depth. So we're going to change it to 0.1. And now you can see through it. And that's how to create glass in Blender. It's not too difficult once you know which settings to turn on. And if you like the video, please click the thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.